Hello, in this video I'm going to check if we can charge our AirPods free with the wireless charging method using our iPhone 15 Pro. So as you know, when we put the AirPods case on the wireless charger, we can actually charge them. Let's see if it works on the iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, it looks like we actually cannot charge the AirPods by using the wireless method. But let's see if it works when I plug the cable to the iPhone. Okay, it still doesn't work, so you actually cannot do this. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.